In a world that thrives on excess and opulence, the humble hamburger has undergone a glamorous makeover, transcending its fast food origins to become a symbol of luxury. Today, we delve into the extravagant realm of gastronomy to explore the most expensive hamburgers in the world. But before we do, make sure you smash that like and hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified of other awesome videos as we post them. Now let's go. Imagine biting into a burger that costs $100. Welcome to the world of luxury burgers, beginning with the Truffle Delight. A modest price tag in the realm of luxury, yet the Truffle Delight is far from ordinary. This burger is an ode to the earthy richness of truffles, an ingredient famed for its unique taste and aroma. The truffle's distinct flavor profile elevates the classic burger patty to new heights, turning a simple meal into a gourmet experience. At the heart of the Truffle Delight is a patty made from the finest Wagyu beef, celebrated for its tender texture and rich buttery flavor. This isn't just any beef, it's a delicacy in its own right, and it forms the perfect base for our luxurious burger. But what makes the Truffle Delight truly stand out is the generous layer of truffle-infused mayonnaise. This creamy concoction is what coats the Wagyu patty, infusing every bite with the truffle's signature earthiness. As if that wasn't enough, the burger is crowned with shavings of black truffle, adding another layer of decadence to this culinary masterpiece. Nestled between golden brioche buns, the Truffle Delight is a study in contrasts. The softness of the bread, the juiciness of the beef, and the boldness of the truffle all coming together in perfect harmony. The Truffle Delight, $100 worth of earthy richness, serves as a tantalizing introduction to this extravagant journey. Climbing the culinary ladder, we encounter the foie gras fusion, priced at a cool $250. This is not your run-of-the-mill burger. This is a meticulously crafted symphony of flavors, a testament to the art of fine dining. At the heart of this culinary masterpiece, you will find a succulent blend of Wagyu beef and foie gras, a marriage of textures and tastes that dance on the palate. The Wagyu beef, renowned for its rich marbling and melt-in-your-mouth tenderness, harmonizes beautifully with the silky, luxurious foie gras. These two ingredients alone would make for a memorable meal, but the foie gras fusion is just getting started. A drizzle of truffle demi-glace adds a touch of sophistication. This reduction, made from a rich stock and the finest truffles, introduces a depth of flavor that further elevates the experience. The truffle, with its earthy and aromatic qualities, complements the robust flavors of the beef and foie gras, creating a balance that is both indulgent and exquisite. A bed of fresh arugula provides a refreshing contrast, its peppery bite cutting through the richness of the other elements. Served with a side of hand-cut, truffle-infused fries, this burger transforms a casual meal into an Epicurean experience. The foie gras fusion, a symphony of flavors that justifies its price tag, takes us a step further into the realm of luxury burgers. Ascending the hierarchy of extravagance, we come face to face with the 24K Magic Burger. This is no ordinary burger, but a dazzling creation that justifies its $500 price tag with the Midas touch of edible gold. Just imagine biting into a juicy Wagyu beef patty layered with the rich, buttery taste of foie gras, complemented by a truffle aioli that adds an earthy depth to each mouthful. But the piece de resistance is undoubtedly the decadent gold leaf garnish. This opulent touch not only imbues the burger with a resplendent glow, but also introduces a subtle crunch that contrasts beautifully with the tender beef and foie gras. The 24K Magic Burger isn't just a meal, it's a testament to culinary creativity and indulgence. Each element, from the Wagyu beef to the edible gold, has been thoughtfully selected and expertly combined to create a sensory experience that transcends the ordinary. And let's not forget the accompanying glass of rare champagne, adding a final layer of luxury to this gastronomic masterpiece. In a world that thrives on excess and opulence, the humble hamburger has undergone a glamorous makeover. The 24K Magic Burger is a shining example of this transformation, representing the fusion of luxury and gastronomy in the most tantalizing way. The 24K Magic Burger, a sensory experience fit for royalty, pushes the boundaries of what a burger can be. Breaking the four-figure barrier, we encounter the Lobster Luxe Burger. Now this is where the culinary adventure really begins to heat up. This burger isn't merely a meal, it's an event, a celebration of the finest ingredients the earth and ocean have to offer. The Lobster Lux burger, with its hefty price tag of $1,000, is a testament to the irresistible allure of surf and turf. Each bite is a journey through a landscape of flavor, a harmonious marriage of land and sea. At the heart of this gastronomic masterpiece is a succulent Wagyu beef patty renowned for its exquisite marbling and unbeatable tenderness. But the real star of the show is the lobster tail, perched atop the patty like a crown jewel. This isn't just any lobster tail, mind you, but a delicacy sourced from the most pristine waters, its tender, sweet meat offering a delightful contrast to the rich, savory beef. The whole creation is brought together by a truffle-infused hollandaise sauce, a velvety blanket that wraps every ingredient in a warm embrace of earthy richness. This sauce doesn't just add flavor, it tells a story, a tale of indulgence and luxury that unfolds with every bite. The Lobster Lux burger is more than just a burger. It's a symphony of flavors that takes us closer to the pinnacle of burger extravagance. It's a testament to the limitless potential of culinary creativity, a beacon that lights the path to a world where no ingredient is too luxurious, no combination too outrageous. It's a portal to a realm where food transcends the ordinary and ventures into the realm of the extraordinary. The Lobster Lux burger, a symphony of flavors, takes us closer to the pinnacle of burger extravagance. Finally, we arrive at the summit of extravagance, the billionaire's burger. The pinnacle of our journey, this culinary masterpiece boasts a price tag as staggering as the elevation we've ascended to reach it, a cool $5,000. But what makes this burger worth such a princely sum? Well, let's delve into it. The billionaire's burger is a testament to culinary creativity, a symphony of flavors that pushes the boundaries of what a burger can be. At its heart, a Wagyu beef patty, renowned for its marbling tenderness and rich flavor. Layered on top, a serving of foie gras adds a decadent touch, its creamy texture and complex flavor profile enhancing the beef with an extra layer of indulgence. But the extravagance doesn't stop there. The burger is further adorned with a lavish layer of black truffle aioli, a gourmet condiment that infuses every bite with the earthy, aromatic richness of truffles. And to top it all off, a generous shaving of black truffle itself, a coveted ingredient known as the diamond of the kitchen. Now we come to the pièce de résistance, the detail that sets the billionaire's burger apart from its competitors, a generous serving of edible 23-carat gold leaf. This gilded garnish doesn't merely add a touch of visual opulence, it also offers a unique, subtle crunch, transforming every bite into a sensory experience that's truly one of a kind. But of course, a burger of this caliber isn't served alone. It comes accompanied by a rare bottle of vintage wine, a perfect complement to the rich, complex flavors of the burger. This pairing not only elevates the dining experience but also adds to the exclusivity of the billionaire's burger. The billionaire's burger is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of culinary exclusivity, a testament to the heights that gastronomy can reach when creativity, luxury, and premium ingredients converge. It invites diners to savor the epitome of luxury, to indulge in an experience that's as unforgettable as it is extravagant. The billionaire's burger, the zenith of indulgence, concludes our journey through the world of the most expensive hamburgers. In the grandeur of these extravagant hamburgers, we've traversed a realm where culinary creativity meets unbridled opulence. If you've relished this gastronomic journey as much as I have, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more Epicurean adventures. Until next time, fellow connoisseurs, may your tastes be as refined as your palate is adventurous. Cheers!